A 41-year-old farmer from Ermelo, that's in Mpumalanga, will appear at the local magistrate's court this morning for attempted murder. Grobler is accused of running over 3 kids with his bakkie, accusing them of theft at his farm. One of the kids was seriously injured while the other sustained minor injuries. Newzroom Afrika's Mweli Masilela watching the story for us. He's live outside court. And Mweli, there's a dynamic around racism allegations here. Help us place where these allegations stem from and what we expect to unfold in court today.
And I was speaking to the spokesperson of the police here in Mpumalanga today. Well, what he is telling us is that the incident happened at a farm which is about 10 kilometers away from this town of Ermelo. And according to him, the accused appeared in court on Monday for the first appearance, and then he's back today in court for formal bail application. The information that we are getting is that he allegedly ran over 2 children and assaulted another one in his farm, accusing them of theft, and that is why then he's facing 2 counts of attempted murder as well as a count of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. But let's get some more from a community leader from where this incident is said to have happened. He's also a member of the South African Communist Party. His name is Zulu. If you can give us clarity in terms of what exactly happened, because there's quite a lot of allegations in as far as this case is concerned.
Thank you. As the SACP, we are here to support the family of the kids which were driven over by the farm owner. Secondly, we are here to register our unhappiness the way the magistrate is conducting this proceeding. Here we are talking about the attempted murder. We are also talking about the GBH cases, of which is a serious case. So this case was supposed to be postponed to next week. So we are surprised as SACP that the case was adjourned on Monday to today, just because the gentleman is a white man. So we are here to say to the Chief Magistrate that the accused must remain behind bars until the 7 days has lapsed, like any other accused in South Africa. So when you are being charged of a serious charge, so you have to spend at least 7 days behind the bars, while the police must do their profiling and so forth and so forth. In this regard of this gentleman, his profiling was not done. Now the magistrate of which is Mrs. Yuko, she is pushing the investigation officers to come and testify in court so that the accused can be given bail. So we are saying as SACP, we are not going to allow that to happen. We are here to disrupt that process. That proceeding today, we are here to disrupt it because the 7 days has not lapsed.
And then just on the information, how did you get to know about this incident, and have you spoken to the family of the families of the 3 children?
As the vanguard and the working class, we got a call from the families on Friday last week that the owner of the farm has injured their kids on the farm. When then, as the SACP contacted the police to go there and assist the family.
There's also allegations of theft. Any information regarding that? Because according to the police, the farmer was accusing these children of stealing from his farm.
There was no theft. There was no theft there. So what happened? The gentleman, the accused is just driven by the racist. Nothing at all. You can't just drive over a child of 10 years with your back while he's stealing. So the farm, the owner of the farm, harvested the field a long time ago. The kids were just there to play. They were not stealing anything there. The issue of stealing and so forth, there's no such. It's just the pure lies. It's just because of the farm owner is a racist, nothing else.
All right, thank you very much. Ayanda, that is Mzwandile Zulu. He's one of the community members as well as a member of the SACP, raising those issues of racism. We've been told, Ayanda, that there's quite a number of political parties that will be gathered outside courts here, members of the ANC as well as the economic freedom fighters, and as you have seen, there's also members of the SACP and some community members coming from where this incident happened. But we're told also that farmers are also mobilizing. They will be outside court as well because they believe that the farmer is innocent, so he should be granted bail. But also another thing that we know, Ayanda, is that one of those children was seriously injured in that incident, and she's still recovering in hospital. In fact, we're told that she has to be operated on. So we'll keep an eye in terms of what is happening inside as well as outside court. Ayanda.
A really important story this. Mweli Masilela, live to us there from Ermelo in Mpumalanga. Thanks very much indeed.